Hello everyone, and in this video I'm going to unbox this 1/64th scale Porsche 911 964 Turbo from Schuco and Tarmac Works. There is a beautiful illustration of a roadside as the background for the car. The car itself looks really beautiful in this yellow color. The headlights look really nice and the Porsche logo on the bonnet is a decal and is really well detailed. The rest of the lights on the bumper are painted on but still look good. Now moving on to the side, the two-piece speedline wheels are really well detailed and suits the car well. There's also the turbo script on the bottom of the door. The rear light bar is really well detailed, and if you look carefully, you can see the Porsche script in the middle. There's also the Turbo 3.6 logo on the engine cover. The whale tail spoiler looks really nice and the rear and front wipers are molded in with the windshield. Now moving on to the interior, the dashboard is well detailed but it is a bit difficult to see all of it. The steering wheel and the seats look really nice, but again they are a bit difficult to see. This is how the rear seats look like. And this is the passenger side of the interior. You can see the interior more clearly from the front. There's a screw holding the car in place, which I'll now remove. The undercarriage has enough detailing on it and the engine and the exhaust system are painted in silver. The mirrors don't have any chrome inserts or silver paint on them, and both the front and rear wheels can roll freely. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.